Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to review hostings.
Imagine if in minutes from now you could have your very own cloud hosting account that enabled.
The hostings will provide you host unlimited websites, create unlimited domain, subdomain, super fast web hosting, free SSL certificate, 100% uptime guarantee, easy to use cPanel, one click WordPress installation, unlimited bandwidth, automated daily backup, 100% cloud-based SSD server, unlimited database, unlimited personalized email, unlimited database, firewall protection, 24/7 technical support, no hidden fees, plug play, and amazing prices. The hostings give you being able to host unlimited converting profitable website, maximize your business growth by saving up to $100,000 year or more. More money to invest in your business, fast reliable hosting for user or business, paying one small fees to get ultra fast high speed hosting, be 100% safe with an encrypted connection, get access to our customizable cloud hosting platform with click WordPress installation that you can use to create and host even more profitable website. Get complete access to our website with 100% uptime, maximum speed landing, and free SSL license that will bring you even more traffic. Zero risk hosting, one time payment, and get hosting access forever. 3 steps with hostings: login, host and setup, and enjoy your sales. If you do any digital work, if you do any digital space, then plain the simple you need to hostings. There is a monthly fee that you will pay to hosting company, but this is the problem. Hosting services are so expensive. Bluehost are charging $99.99 per month. HostGator charging $119.89 per month. GoDaddy charging $34 every month. But after paying so much money, you don't have any control over your account. Slow landing page, slow loading page, excessive downtime, no support. See, 2020 changed everything, and this pandemic has brought a life to a standstill. What if there is a easier and cost-effective solution? Thankfully, now you can. Introducing hostings, top sources, and create multiple viral news sites for instant traffic and passive profit in just minutes. It comes jam-packed with these amazing benefits: host unlimited website domain, free SSL certificate, free margin support, migration support, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited professional email, automated daily backup, one click WordPress, 100% cloud based SSD server, 24/7 technical support. So you will get more and more benefits from these hostings. Here is the exact hostings is the platform last hosting website you need. This is why you You will get ultra-fast SSD server, industry leading security, 100% uptime guarantee, easy to use cPanel, click WordPress installation, free migration support, unlimited bandwidth, personalized email and database, 24/7 dedicated technical support. Top-based hosting will boost your profits, cut down current monthly hosting fees so online businesses owner can keep more of the money they guaranteed each month. Increase conversion and sales by improving user experience and search engine ranking with lightning fast page loading speed. Save money on outsourcing web development services since anyone can easily create and manage unlimited sites and hosting, freeing up more money to reinvest in marketing and other potential aspects to bring in more traffic and sale. Save more time to work on income producing activities instead of wasting unnecessary time on managing website. Here's what you get when you buy hostings: host unlimited website, domain and subdomain, unlimited SSL encryption, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited professional emails, click WordPress installer, zero restrictions, easy to use cPanel, automated daily backup, 100% cloud based, free marginal support, firewall protection, rapid setup guide, 100% guarantee uptime, 100% newbie friendly, record low one time price, as so much more. Let's crunch numbers. Let's see how many websites can you host by hostings. You can host unlimited website and domains with hostings. There is a no restriction on the number of website or domain you can host with hostings. Absolutely, just follow our simple site transfer guide to change your. If you want to buy hostings, link in the description. You can go and you will get a bonus plus hostings. Thank you so much.